Hey guys, how's it going? To be Puffy here, back with another tutorial on the VideoPad tutorial series. So today I'm going to be showing you how to add text in your video file. So you're just going to add your file. I'm going to add a random file. Let's just add this from a recent tutorial. Sit down real quick. There we go. Let's add it in. If it was open on pause. No pause. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to click the add a text button right here. Click the add text button up here. VideoPad, are you gonna work? You're gonna click the add text button up here. Oh my gosh. You're gonna click this add text button up here. Oh my gosh. There it goes, and you're gonna click. You can do character animations. You can do counter. You can do clock, stopwatches, and stuff. You can do all these, but I'm just going to do simple text overlay. So you're going to click on that. This little window should pop up here. You're going to click on it, and you're going to type in any text you want. You can also change the font to like you can change mine to Lucky Sky. Where's my Luckiest Sky? There it is. You can change yours to Luckiest Sky, and you can change the color. You can change the size. Just gotta highlight it, and then you can change the size. And you can add a shadow in it. You can change the shadow to a red shadow. You can change the color to, I don't know, blue or purplish, or I'm just gonna do blue. Or no, you're gonna highlight it, and then you can change the color to blue. There we go, you can change the color to blue. And you can basically do whatever you want in the text, and then you're just gonna click on the side of it, and there's your text. Right there, I'm just gonna drag it down in here. I'm gonna do this, and we can play it, and it's right there and right there. There's the text. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, I don't know why I keep saying that. Just please subscribe. So yeah, until next time, I need subscribers. I'm hoping to get 1,000 subscribers in the next year, so I can get a support a creator code. So yeah, peace.